wounded nation. Whispers turn into sighs, and sighs turn into storms. A legacy, as the people describe it. A chronicle of pain and destruction. They speak of planned massacres of peaceful citizens, mass killings of innocents, abductions in the dark, disappearances that never return, torture behind locked iron doors, illegal military trials, and silent assassination attempts. They tell of unprecedented election rigging, pressure on judges, draconian amendments to the Constitution, the collapse of democracy, cross-border repression, collective punishment, mockery of faith and values, freedom of speech strangled, severe censorship, media silenced. Women, children, and the elderly attacked, human dignity humiliated. Fabricated cases, illegal night raids, corruption unchained, human rights erased. The economy shattered, record inflation, terrorism rising, sectarian fire spreading, borders burning with tension, and a nation reduced to global ridicule. This is the story they tell. Child asks, why does the sky cry? A mother holds a faded photograph. A father bows beside an empty bed. And the streets remember every footprint, every scream, every broken dream. These are not numbers. These are lives, names, stories written in blood and dust. Power may change hands, but the soil never forgets the taste of tears and blood. Tonight, in the silence of the earth, memory trembles, and the wind whispers one question: how long? Let it be written. Let it be known. A nation does not forget.